Hello, my lovely learners. Welcome to today's lesson. We are still on patterns in algebra. Patterns in algebra. What are we learning today? We are learning to what? Represent repeating sounds and number patterns as shape. Representing repeating sounds and number patterns as what? Shapes. Now, in our last lesson, we learned about numbers repeating themselves. Look at our keywords again. Patterns. Patterns. Today we will be looking at numbers and what? Sounds representing what or repeating as what? Shapes. Alright, let's take some brief exercise as what? Starter. If you are given this 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, what will be the next three values? The next three values 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Alright, you realize that in our previous lesson 2, 4, 6 is the first number, and this same number has repeated 2, 4, 6 the second time, and they are asking you what will be the next three numbers that will what? Repeat. Alright, after 6, what number next? 2, 4, 6. So after 6, what number next? So you realize that we do what? 2. After 2 is 4. After 4 is what? 6. So this is our repeating numbers. 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. Alright, let's quickly go to today's task. Represent the following numbers as what? Shapes. Represent the following numbers as shapes. Alright. We are given 1, 2, 1, 2 to be represented as what? Clap, stand, clap, stand. So the first thing you have to do is you have to write this 1, 2, 1, 2 down first. Look at how I'm going to write it. Because of the clap, stamp, you have to write with a little bit space. The first one here, the second one here, the first one here, the second one here. Now, look at this. I'm going to draw a line to map it onto what? The first one is what? Clap. The first one here is clap. So you only write clap under this. Clap. The second one is what? Stamp. So you draw this one to like this. Then you write what? Stamp under this. So that means 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 is clap, 2 is stamp. 1 is clap, 2 is stamp. 1 is clap, 2 is what? Stamp. So you write 1 is clap, you write clap. 2 is what? Stamp. So you write stamp. Let me take it again. Let's quickly go over. This is what we are given. 1, 2, 1, 2 to represent as what? Clap, stand, clap, stand. Alright. When you are given this, quickly write all this down. 1, 2, 1, 2 down. With a reasonable space. 2, 1, 2. Now, we are drawing this arrow to show that 1 maps to what? The first one here, clap. 2 maps to what? Stand. So you draw your arrow down, your arrow to show that the 2 is matching what? Stand. One is what? Don't forget. 1 clap, 2, stand. 1, clap, 2, stand. 1, clap, 2, stand. 1, clap, 2 what? Stand. I hope you've gotten it now. Let's continue. This is 1, 2, 1, 2. As what? Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. 1, 2, 1, 2 as circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Let's quickly do that. 1, 2, 1, 2. So the 1 is what? The first one here is what? Circle. You draw your circle. The 2 is what? Triangle. So you draw your triangle under it. Don't forget, this is all about pattern. This is 1, this is 2, 1, 2. So it's all about pattern. Circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So 1 is what? Circle. So you draw a circle. 2 is what? Triangle. You get it? Alright. Clap, stand as what? Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Alright. Let's try it. This is clap. Stand. Clap again. Stand. Okay. Clap, stamp. That is what I've written here under the same question. Clap, stamp. And this is what? Circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So you write it under it. The first one is what? Circle. So you draw your circle nicely. The second one is what? Rectangle. You draw your rectangle under it. The next one is, clap is what? Circle. Don't forget. Clap is what? Circle. So you draw your circle. Stamp is what? Rectangle. So stamp is rectangle. Draw your rectangle under it. Good. Don't forget, we are learning to what? Represent repeating sounds and what? Number patterns as shapes. The sounds are these ones. The clap, stamp, clap, stamp. The shapes are what? All this that we can see over here. Alright. Keep practicing this till we meet again. Have a good moment.